Life is hectic, right? We're all rushing around. Work, family, errands, it never ends. Finding time for the gym feels impossible. Who has a spare hour for workouts these days? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to fit exercise into their jam-packed schedules. But here's the good news. You don't need hours to get fit. You can achieve amazing results with just 20 minutes. That's the power of boosted fitness exercises. Short bursts of energy, maximum impact. It's the perfect solution for our fast-paced lives. Ready to discover the secret? Let's dive in! Boosted fitness is all about short, intense workouts. Think high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and circuit training. We're talking bursts of energy followed by short rest periods. This keeps your heart rate up, it torches calories, and it builds muscle, all in a fraction of the time of traditional workouts. Imagine this, 20 minutes, a few simple exercises, and you're done, feeling energized and accomplished. No need for fancy equipment or gym memberships. You can do these workouts anywhere, anytime. Home, the park, even during your lunch break. Boosted fitness is about efficiency and results. It's about maximizing your time and effort. It's about fitting fitness seamlessly into your busy life. No more excuses. Why is boosted fitness such a game changer? Let me tell you. First, it's incredibly time efficient. We've established that. No more excuses about not having enough time for exercise. Second, it's super effective. These workouts boost your metabolism. You'll keep burning calories even after you finish your workout. But it doesn't stop there. Boosted fitness is also incredibly versatile. You can customize your workouts to fit your fitness level and goals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there's a boosted fitness routine for you. And the best part? Boosted fitness is fun and motivating. The short, intense bursts keep you engaged. You'll see results quickly, which keeps you coming back for more. Ready to take control of your fitness? Let's get started. What makes boosted fitness so effective? It's not magic, it's science. Boosted fitness workouts like HIIT tap into a special process called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. Sounds complicated, right? Let me break it down. When you push your body with intense exercise, it needs to recover. This recovery process requires extra oxygen. Your body becomes a calorie-burning machine even after your workout is over. That's EPOC in action, but that's not all. Boosted fitness also triggers the release of endorphins. These are your body's natural mood boosters. They fight stress, reduce anxiety, and leave you feeling happy and energized. So, you're not just getting fitter, you're feeling fantastic too. Let's talk about your heart. It's the engine of your body, and boosted fitness is like a tune-up for your ticker. These short, intense workouts strengthen your heart muscle. They improve your blood flow, and they help regulate your blood pressure. Studies have shown that boosted fitness can be even more effective than traditional cardio for improving cardiovascular health. Why? Because it pushes your heart rate into the optimal zone for burning fat and increasing aerobic capacity. Think of it this way. Boosted fitness is like a sprint for your heart, while traditional cardio is more like a jog. Both are beneficial, but sprints will get you fitter, faster, and a healthy heart is a happy heart. Want to build lean muscle and sculpt a toned physique? Boosted fitness is your secret weapon. These workouts incorporate compound exercises which work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Think squats, push-ups, and burpees. Compound exercises are incredibly efficient. They save time and deliver maximum results. They also increase your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Who wouldn't want that? And the best part? You don't need a gym full of weights to build muscle with boosted fitness. Bodyweight exercises are more than enough to challenge your muscles and help you achieve your fitness goals. Boosted fitness isn't just about physical transformation. It's a mental game changer too. Remember those endorphins we talked about? They work wonders for your mental well-being. They reduce stress, combat anxiety, and boost your mood. But it goes deeper than that. Boosted fitness requires focus and determination. You're pushing your limits, challenging yourself, and proving to yourself what you're capable of. This builds mental resilience and self-confidence that spills over into all areas of your life. So next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, lace up your sneakers and get moving. Boosted Fitness isn't just a workout, it's a powerful tool for strengthening both your body and your mind. Unleash your inner powerhouse, the burpee. Let's talk about the burpee, a Boosted Fitness superstar. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This exercise is a full-body blast that torches calories and builds strength. It's like a push-up, squat, and jump all rolled into one dynamic move. How to do it? Start standing, then squat down, placing your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position, do a push-up, and then quickly bring your feet back to your hands. Explosively jump up, reaching your arms overhead. That's 1 rep. Burpees target your chest, shoulders, triceps, back, core, quads, and glutes. Talk about a full-body workout. They improve cardiovascular fitness, strength, and coordination. Plus, the explosive movement boosts your metabolism, helping you burn calories long after your workout is over. Feel the burn high knees. Next up, we have high knees, a fantastic exercise for boosting your heart rate and engaging your core. This simple yet effective move is all about bringing your knees up high towards your chest while running in place. It's a great warm-up exercise or a challenging addition to your Boosted Fitness routine. To perform high knees, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Start running in place, bringing your knees up as high as possible towards your chest. Pump your arms for momentum and maintain a steady pace. The key is to maintain good posture and engage your core throughout the exercise. High knees target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. They improve cardiovascular fitness, leg strength, and coordination. The constant up and down movement also increases your heart rate, making it a fantastic calorie burner. Jumpstart your metabolism jumping jacks. Remember those jumping jacks from gym class? They're back and better than ever. Jumping jacks are a classic cardio exercise that's perfect for Boosted Fitness workouts. They're simple to learn, require no equipment, and provide a full-body workout. To do a jumping jack, stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Immediately jump back to the starting position. Repeat this movement in a fluid and controlled manner. Jumping jacks engage multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, shoulders, and arms. They elevate your heart rate, boost your metabolism, and improve coordination. Plus, they're fun and easy to incorporate into any workout. Section 4. Sculpt and strengthen squats. Let's talk about squats, the king of lower body exercises. Squats are a compound movement that works for multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them a must-have in your Boosted Fitness routine. They target your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core, helping you build strength and definition. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keeping your back straight and core engaged, lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, aiming for your thighs to be parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Squats are incredibly versatile. You can do them with just your body weight or add resistance with dumbbells, barbells, or resistance bands. They're a fantastic exercise for building lower body strength, improving mobility, and boosting your metabolism. Section 5. Core strength for a solid foundation plank. Last but not least, we have the plank, a deceptively challenging exercise that targets your entire core. Planks are all about isometric contraction, meaning you're holding your body in a static position, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, elbows aligned below your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and squeezing your glutes. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining good form. Planks strengthen your core, improve posture, and enhance stability. They engage your abs, obliques, lower back, and even your shoulders and glutes. A strong core is essential for overall fitness and injury prevention, making planks a valuable addition to any workout routine. Section 1, Ready, Set, Boost. So you're ready to unleash your inner fitness hero? Amazing. Let's talk about how to get started with boosted fitness. First things first, don't go from zero to hero overnight. Start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for 2 to 3 boosted fitness sessions per week, with rest days in between for recovery. You can do these workouts anytime, anywhere. No gym? No problem. All you need is a little space and a whole lot of determination. Before each workout, make sure to warm up with some light cardio, like jumping jacks or high knees. This gets your blood flowing and prepares your muscles for action. And don't forget to cool down afterwards with some stretching. This helps prevent muscle soreness and promotes flexibility. When it comes to boosted fitness, proper form is crucial. Why? Because good form prevents injuries and ensures you're targeting the right muscles effectively. It's better to perform an exercise correctly with good form than to rush through it and risk getting hurt. If you're unsure about your form, don't hesitate to ask a certified personal trainer for guidance. They can teach you the correct technique and help you avoid common mistakes. Remember, quality over quantity always wins in the fitness game. Consistency is just as important as form. Make boosted fitness a regular part of your routine. Set realistic goals and stick to them. Even if you can only spare 15 minutes a day, that's better than nothing. Every little bit counts towards building a healthier, fitter you. As you progress on your boosted fitness journey, it's essential to listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, too soon. If you're feeling pain, stop and rest. Remember, rest days are just as important as workout days. They allow your muscles to recover and rebuild, making you stronger for your next workout. But listening to your body doesn't mean staying in your comfort zone forever. Challenge yourself to gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts as you get fitter. This could mean adding more reps, increasing the weight you're lifting, or trying more challenging variations of exercises. Remember, progress takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, stay focused, and trust the process. Every drop of sweat, every rep, every workout brings you one step closer to your goals. Boosted fitness is not just about achieving a certain physique. It's about embracing a healthier, more energetic lifestyle. It's about feeling good from the inside out. So, enjoy the journey. Experiment with different workouts, find what you enjoy, and make fitness a fun part of your life. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Did you complete a full week of workouts? High five! Did you lift heavier weights than last time? You're on fire! Did you feel your energy levels soar after a boosted fitness session? That's the power of movement. Remember, you're capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and embrace the transformative power of boosted fitness. Your future self will thank you for it. Now let's get moving. We've all been there. You're super pumped to start your fitness journey. You're hitting the gym regularly, feeling fantastic. But then life throws a curveball. Work gets crazy. You're tired. That motivation starts to dwindle. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. The key is to have strategies in place to keep that motivation momentum going strong. First things first, set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much, too soon. Start with small, achievable goals that you can build on over time. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to aim for 3 short workouts a week and stick to them than to plan for 5 and burn out after a week. Another powerful motivator is finding an activity you genuinely enjoy. If you hate running, don't force yourself to do it. Try dancing, swimming, hiking, or cycling. There are endless possibilities when it comes to fitness. Find something that brings you joy and makes you want to move. One of the biggest motivation killers is boredom. Doing the same workout day after day can get monotonous. The solution: variety is the spice of fitness. Keep your workouts exciting by mixing things up. Try different types of boosted fitness routines like height circuits, Tabata training, or circuit training with weights. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Sign up for a dance class, try a rock climbing gym, or go for a hike in a new location. The more you challenge yourself and keep your workouts fresh, the more motivated you'll stay. Another great way to add variety is to change up your workout environment. Instead of always exercising at home, head to the park, hit the gym, or find a local fitness studio. A change of scenery can do wonders for your motivation and help you stay engaged in your workouts. Tracking your progress is incredibly motivating. It shows you how far you've come and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Keep a fitness journal, use a fitness app, or create a spreadsheet to track your workouts, your progress, and how you're feeling. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Did you lift heavier weights this week? Did you run a little faster? Did you complete an extra rep? Give yourself a pat on the back and acknowledge your hard work. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, challenges, and victories. Embrace the process, celebrate your wins, and learn from your setbacks. The most important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Find your fitness tribe, stay accountable. Surround yourself with a supportive community that shares your fitness goals. Find a workout buddy, join a fitness class, or connect with like-minded individuals online. Having people to cheer you on, hold you accountable, and share the journey with can make all the difference. When you have someone to share the ups and downs with, fitness becomes more than just a solitary pursuit. It becomes a social and supportive experience. Plus, let's face it, working out with a friend is way more fun than going it alone. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. Reach out, connect with others, and build a supportive fitness tribe that will empower you to achieve your goals. Together, you can make fitness a fun, social, and rewarding part of your lives. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to boosted fitness. We've explored the ins and outs of this incredible approach to fitness. You've discovered its amazing benefits. From torching calories and building strength to boosting your mood and transforming your mindset, boosted fitness is a game changer. Remember those days when you thought you didn't have time for exercise? Those days are gone. With boosted fitness, you can achieve incredible results in just 20 minutes. No more excuses. You can squeeze in a workout anytime, anywhere. But it's not just about the physical transformation. Boosted fitness is about feeling empowered, confident, and energized. It's about taking control of your health and well-being. And it's about becoming the best version of yourself. You have the power to transform your life through fitness. It's within you. It starts with a single step, a single workout, a single decision to prioritize your health. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Remember those small, achievable goals we talked about? Start with one. Maybe it's committing to 2 20-minute boosted fitness workouts this week. Maybe it's trying one new exercise. Maybe it's simply moving your body for 10 minutes today. Every small step, every drop of sweat, every bit of effort brings you closer to your goals. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you realize. And you deserve to feel amazing. Fitness is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be challenges along the way. There will be days when you don't feel like working out, but that's okay. It's all part of the process. Listen to your body, rest when you need to, and never give up on yourself. Surround yourself with supportive people, celebrate your victories, and embrace the journey. The rewards are worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up those sneakers, put on some music, and let's get moving. Your boosted fitness journey starts now. Are you ready to unleash your inner fitness hero? Let's do this!